Hey everyone, my name is Will Boyd. I'm a homeschooling dad of 7, and we love to do science at home. And so we're going to take a look at this Noeo bundle. We're doing Noeo this year with our 4 youngest at home, and we're going to do an unboxing video. So this is going to be Bio 2. Let's take a look at what's in the box, Bio 2. And of course, opening that box, we never get bored with it. Just as fun for parents as it is for kids. And the parent stuff, the stuff that's critical for you at first, is right on top. And here we have the instructor's manual, and then we'll talk about the student lab manual. So instructor's manual, one of the great things about Noeo, as you've heard, is that everything's in the box. Everything you need, the activities, the living books, and this guide. So this is your guide, and 15-30 minutes, maybe you're feeling underprepared, read through the first few pages, read through the Noeo philosophy, read through the activities list for the year, read through what books are included, and then take a look at the weekly schedule. And I think you'll find that after about 30 minutes, you're going to have a good sense of the scope and sequence for your science, for your homeschool year. So we're really pleased with that. It's laid out really clearly and concisely. This is an example page of what one weekly activities looks like. So this is a 4-day week, doing science about 20 to 30 minutes a day. A lot of families stack them and just do it twice a week, which is really easy to adapt. It's flexible. Another thing that's really important in here are the lab templates. And so we know your kids are at various ages and stages. And so because of that, you might have a son or daughter who could sit and watch an activity and then draw a picture of what happened. But you might have someone who wants something or needs something a little bit more rigorous. And so identifying a problem or a question and then hypothesizing, or maybe even graphing or drawing a table to present the data. All those types of templates are in here. And so we have a variety of templates, reproducible lab pages that are present, several different kinds depending on the age and stage. And we also have a whole bunch of those in here. So this is your student lab manual, and this is chock full of perforated pages, reading notes, drawing pages, lab templates, you name it, and a fun exhortation right before the table of contents from me. And so, 1, 2, top of the box. Let's get to the fun stuff, the activities. Well-labeled series of activities here for each kit from the Young Scientist Club, and these are great. They're simple. They're relatively easy, and this is probably 2 of my favorite kits are in this Bio 2 bundle, and one, of course, is the owl pellet dissection. So take out your owl pellet and a plate and your dissecting tools, and your son or daughter will find jaw bones and hip bones of birds and mammals, and then there's a key to identify them. Another fun experiment here in Bio 2 is the brine shrimp eggs that you're going to grow. You're going to put those brine shrimp eggs into a solution of warm salt water, and they will grow and develop, and you'll be able to look at them develop during that time. So lots of small things that you'll see here as well in Bio 2, and so we've included a pocket microscope. So pocket microscope is really handy. You can slide slides into it. You can look at living things, but you can also look at fabric, newsprint, just to give your child a sense for not just the living microscopic world, but all the materials. And a wonderful, easy to carry along package there. Some other living books we've got. The Usborne Science Encyclopedia. So this book is going to be one of the books that gets regularly read throughout the year. Wonderful color photographs, microscopic images, and lots of internet-linked experiments and activities. Show you a couple pages there. Very well done, like much of the stuff from our friends at Usborne. Lots of different topics to choose from. And really, this whole bundle errs on the side of giving you additional stuff that you can read about and can do. So you're not going to run out of things to do during this science year. This accompanies our pocket microscope, another wonderful Usborne book, complete book of the microscope. More of a crafty book here, the Human Body book, where you'll be crafting parts of the body to put together. There's the eye, some different parts of the eye there, the lens and the iris. And last but not least, another Usborne book, Mysteries and Marvels of Nature. So looking at different animal groups and how they live, where they live, how they reproduce, amazing anatomy, that's all included here as well. So that's it for the Nueo Bio Bundle number 2. Thanks for watching.